We're at it again. Just £13.50 per night for this beautiful location.
Wow. Is that all it cost us?
In this video, we're going to yet again show you another bargain place to stay at just
£13.50 a night.
And if you stay to the end, Nikki is going to show you how to get these places and how to find them. Let's go.
Where are we?
We are at Carrog in Wales, right by the steam train line station.
We're going to show you around this area and some great free things to do. We're also going to give you the opportunity to get a free £10 site voucher. So keep watching to find out how.
Oh, happy days.
So let's get straight into it.
And yes, that was the Muppet falling in the river. This valley field is opposite Carrog Station campsite. And we're just going to walk down to Carrog Station. No steam trains today, unfortunately, but other trains are available.
So let's get started. Let's just walk up, less than 5 minutes away. This is the beautiful Carrog Station. You could not come to a nicer station to have a look at.
Now it's surrounded by beautiful countryside and it's a really quaint old station, just as you imagine it from the Railway Children.
And we are so lucky because today there's trains running too. Not steam trains, but diesel trains.
Diesel trains running today.
There's diesel trains running today and we've come to have a look. And that's free. Doesn't cost you a penny. Kids love to look at trains.
And you still get that blast of nostalgia.
And it's just an amazing, beautiful place.
I don't know what train it is. I don't profess to be an expert. I just know that it's really, really pretty. Listen to those engines.
Walk 5 minutes in the opposite direction and you're into the most beautiful, picturesque countryside.
A nice river to walk through. Kids love a river. And of course a nice pub just to get a meal in and a drink.
And of course my big kid loved the river too.
And of course there's like your own petting zoo. I don't know where this lamb come from, but seems to think it's my best friend.
And he was, or she, was awfully vocal.
Carrog, situated just a stone's throw, 9 miles maximum from the wonderful town of Llangollen. Sat on the River Dee, it has everything you need for a nice cheeky little getaway. And if you can find either the site like we stayed at or the rally that's there, then you're onto a winner.
And of course you can always get the train, whether that be steam or diesel, from Carrog into the town that Paul previously mentioned.
Say it.
Llangollen. Llangollen. We opted to get the scooter out and go for a ride to the Horseshoe Falls, a place definitely worth a visit, for free.
The great thing is about having a motorhome is finding some amazing places. So this is just 6 miles from where we're staying. It's free other than parking, but we're on a scooter so no need to pay. You could ride your bikes here, you could even walk here, but it is a nice walk to go and do, so we're going to go and do it. I don't know what it is about our walks and our videos that we've done on this little bargain breaks things, but we always seem to end up at churches. Maybe God's trying to call us. This was no ordinary church, dated in 1180, and they allow all the fauna to grow.
We carried on walking down to the Horseshoe Falls, and then somebody decided they should take a little paddle. What could possibly go wrong?
Let's just say I was pleased it was a really, really hot day, because I wouldn't have wanted to get back on the scooter wet, would I?
Here we go! Oh, I was waiting for that.
Seeing as now I was just completely wet, I decided to go for another swim. Can be quite dangerous down there, for kids especially, but an awful lot of fun on a summer's day. Yeah, but it was a lovely place to come. It was just amazing.
For an impromptu swim, any clothes?
Yeah. I'll come back with my trunks next time.
Yeah, that might be the best idea because I'm a little bit concerned now about getting on a scooter with you.
Because that was the big problem, but we've come on a scooter and now I'm soaking from head to toe.
And we'll be saving those when we get back to the van.
And there we are, Horseshoe Falls. What a place to visit.
The Muppet now soaking wet and making me wet too. We're headed back to the campsite.
Throughout this summer, we've done an awful lot of touring in North Wales, and I have to say, we've both really fallen in love with it. It has so many hidden gems to come and explore and come and see. It is really well worth a visit, especially in the unseasonable weather we've had, that thing called summer.
So let's have a look at what you get for your money.
Pretty much a film, somewhere to empty your cassette toilet,
I wouldn't know about that.
no electric, and that's just about it.
But you get a beautiful, stunning scenery setting.
We really, literally, could be in a jigsaw puzzle. Oh, you know what I mean?
Because it's so picture perfect.
So that's what you get for your £13.50, and that's all you need.
Obviously a nice bit of sunshine helps.
Which sort of begs the question, are we only getting carried away because the weather's so nice?
Yeah, it might be a slightly different story here if it was raining and cold.
But we'll make the most of the weather. We'll take that.
But we're still away.
Since retiring, she's done more time away than what she's done at home.
I have. So how do we find these amazing bargain breaks? Well, first of all, you need to be a member of the Camping and Caravanning Club. And these have all been their temporary holiday sites that we've been on, which you can find on their Out and About app. All the details are on there, the cost, the location, whether you need to book or not. The only thing they can't guarantee on the app is whether you'll get sunshine or not.
Total to join the club just costs £56 for the year, and that gives you access to all these great places we have found. As well, of course, their normal sites, which will cost you an arm and a leg, no doubt, but sometimes it's nice to spend an arm and a leg.
However, if you email us at motorhomemuppets@gmail.com, we can give you our membership number, which you can then use to get a £10 site voucher, and we'll get one too. Everyone's a winner. I can't tell you where exactly we're going now, but make sure you like and subscribe so you can follow our travels, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. TTFN!